Doctors at a hospital in Lanzhou, northwest China's Gansu province, have successfully performed an extremely challenging organ transplant surgery for a farmer suffering from liver cirrhosis. The operation had been very risky, as the size of organs differ greatly between the 11-year-old donor and the adult recipient.
受体的原发病呢是肝硬化，晚期生命垂危。那么该移植是挽救他的唯一的可以起死回生的办法。那么这个手术非常的在技术上非常的有挑战性。这个捐献也是了在 ECMO 的辅助之下完成的。从目前术后第8天的恢复情况来看，恢复的非常的顺利，比预期的都要顺利。
China started piloting its organ donation program in 2010. The number of registered organ donors in China has exceeded 4.3 million, according to the latest statistics released in January 2022.